Just pick. No more, babe. We got broccoli. Ginger not here, babe. Somewhere. Strawberries.
Can't put them there, he'll eat them.
Micah got a big eye. Hello, Dion. Lemon. Lemon. One for Dion, one for Michael.
Put them in the bag.
Lemon.
Put them in the bag.
Bananas. Organic bananas. We always buy organic bananas. Always. 69 cents. Bananas. Wow, we got a lot of bananas here.
Not with the
Pumpkins.
I was just watching something yesterday that said he was at almost the very end of it or something like that.
Really?
The other day, yep.
He must got that new improved drug that.
What's that?
He must got that new improved drug that.
He did. He got something began with an R. It was. He says he was going to make it free for everybody who had the coronavirus.
Hey, Dion.
That's true.
Dion.
I should run for politics.
Huh?
I should run for politics. There's no honest ones out there anymore.
It's hard, man.
Heck, I ran for
Not with the amount of money that you got to pay for ads and stuff anymore.
right.
I mean, you've got to raise practically $1 billion now to be competitive.
You have a good one, okay?
You too.
Try to do something fun tonight.
Oh yeah.
Bye, little ones.
Oh yeah.
Until they want to die.
He likes the strawberry better than blueberry. Is this the one you like, buddy? Is that the one? Your favorite?
Oh my goodness, babe, you give it to him. He's gonna open it. Oh, he just said open. Michael. Dion, push the cart. Thank you, Dion.
marked up.
You're gonna buy both?
Why not? You guys eat all the hot dogs. I got hamburgers. Alright, let's go down the center aisle here.
Oh, that's our favorite. The goodie aisle. Animal crackers. Kids' favorite. What else? Where's our bunnies?
They're on sale 2 for $5. Get one.
Babe, 2, babe.
See what they are?
Just get one. Okay. It said 2 for $5.
That's $2.50 each.
Okay. Where's our bunnies?
They're gone. Empty, babe.
Babe, they likes to eat that too, babe. The one that we like. Instead of that, we're gonna try this.
Let's get
Honey Grahams.
these.
Oh, I see it. But it, no, it's different.
Cheddar. Get those. $2.29.
This one.
They're on sale too. If they get 5.
Oh, yeah.
5
They
for
eat
5.
that.
Get one. One of
Yeah, both of them eat this.
these. Number 2.
Cracker.
2.
What's that? Oh my goodness, babe. You buy a lot of goodies.
3 more of those. Look at the price. 2.
More?
Yeah, 1 for me.
Oh.
They'll eat.
Alright.
3.
3. Bunnies? What do you see, Michael? What? Babe, he's pointing something. Michael pointing something. Go, Dion. Push the cart, Dion. Good job. Thank you, Dion. Nakabili kami ng car. Oh, hold it, anak. And then for Dion is Jeep. What's that?
Red.
Color red. What's that? Jeep? Jeep. Color red. Babe, it makes me fat. My tummy is fat.
Me and Michael will help eat it for you.
You and Michael will help me. Oh my gosh.
One more thing of cheese here.
Ice cream makes me fat. I got a big tummy now. I need to do some diet again because I got a big tummy. We need to pay it first before open. Your jeep, anak. Frozen food.
French pizzas, have you ever had that? Tuna noodles. Cheddar potato bag, breaded Alaskan olive, macaroni and cheese, crusted chicken.
No. No.
I thought that one you liked. Mashed potatoes.
Okay.
All right, boys, let's go.
For Korean beef.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified for new updates.